Welcome back, everyone. You may have just purchased your Nintendo Switch OLED model, and you may be trying to figure out how you can go ahead and connect your JoyCons to it. So, let's say you have your JoyCons off from your specific console, and you have your Joy-Con right here. All you have to do is go ahead and make sure your Nintendo Switch is in the upright position. So you can see right here the power button, volume buttons, all this stuff is up top. So as long as they're up top, you're almost halfway there. Now what you want to do is you want to grab your Joy-Con, which is to the left on my console, and you want to go ahead and make sure that the triggers are up top. So as long as the triggers are up top like this and your Nintendo Switch, the power button and volume button are up top, all you have to do is go ahead and slide this specific mechanic, this little sliding indicator right here, to the side of your Nintendo Switch Joy-Con. So you will see right here there's a little entrance, and as long as the top entrance is open, all you have to do is grab your Joy-Con like this and slide it into this little area. So you can see I can just slide it in a little bit and it stays in place. So now all you want to do is slide your Joy-Con in until you hear a click. So if you don't hear a click, there may be a problem with your Joy-Con or your Nintendo Switch, and you may want to fix that. So I have my other Joy-Con right here. So all I have to do is the exact same thing. So I want to grab this Joy-Con up here and I want to go ahead and slide it in like this and make sure at the bottom it clicks into place. And that's really pretty much it. The Joy-Con will then be connected automatically, and you can go ahead and use both automatically as you normally would. You can pretty much go on from there. So that's exactly how to do it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.